We worship you, Jesus. Hear us in heaven, Jesus. And break down the walls and push back the dark. Oh, light of the world, and move in our hearts. There's a stirring in the spirit, heaven. Something holy, can you feel it? It's heaven. And let your glory and your power, let your majesty and pain has to go, and darkness retreat. Every heart here finding healing, heaven. In this moment you're revealing heaven, and let your glory and your power, let your majesty as in heaven, as it, God, let heaven come to this place. Let your kingdom flood this place, on earth as it is in heaven. On earth as it is in heaven. And break down the walls, push back the dark, light of the world, move in our hearts, heaven. Flood the earth. Freedom is here, and freedom is here. Fear has to leave, pain has to go, darkness retreat, heaven. Flood the earth, 'cause freedom is here. Fear has to leave, pain has to go, darkness retreat, heaven. Your name without reserve, flood the earth, flood the earth. That everyone on earth would know the name of Jesus. That everyone on earth would know that there is a kingdom that is coming. That they would know Jesus and his kingdom. That the church of Christ wouldn't just be the people in these churches and the people in other churches, but God, every single person, because they would begin to know your name and your kingdom. God, let your name flood this earth. God, let your name flood this earth. What you did, you sent your son to die, that thing, that renown would reach everywhere. On earth as it is in heaven. Let your glory and your power, let your majesty